Hello everyone. Today's topic is blood pressure. Blood pressure is the pressure of circulating blood against the walls of blood vessels. Most of this pressure results from the heart pumping blood throughout the circulatory system. When used without qualification, the term blood pressure refers to the pressure in brachial artery where it is most commonly measured. Blood, blood pressure is usually expressed in terms of systolic pressure, the maximum pressure during one heartbeat, over diastolic pressure, the minimum pressure between two heartbeats. In cardiac cycle, it is a measure in millimeter of mercury above the surrounding atmospheric pressure or kilopascals. The difference between systolic and diastolic pressure is known as pulse pressure, while the average pressure during a cardiac cycle is known as mean arterial pressure. Blood pressure is one of the vital signs together with respiratory rate, heart rate, oxygen saturation, and body temperature that healthcare professionals use in evaluating a patient's health. Normal resting blood pressure is an adult is approximately 120 millimeter of mercury, systolic over 80 millimeter of mercury, and diastolic denoted as 120 as 80 millimeter mercury. Globally, the average blood pressure age standardized has remained about the same since 1975 to the present at approximately 170 to 79 in men and 122 to 77 in women. Although this average data masks significantly delivering regional trends, traditionally a healthcare worker measure blood pressure non-invasively by assaulting through stethoscope for sound in one arm artery as the artery is squeezed closer to heart by an anode gauge or mercury tube is still generally considered to be the gold standard of accuracy for non-invasive blood pressure reading in clinic. However, semi-automated methods have become common largely due to concern about potential mercury toxicity. Although cost is of use applicability of ambulatory blood pressure or home blood pressure measurement have also influenced this trend. Early automated alternative to mercury tube were often seriously inaccurate, but modern device validated to international standard achieve to an average difference between two standardized reading method of 5 millimeter or less and a standard deviation of less than 8 millimeter. Most of these semi-automated method measure blood pressure using oscillometry measure by pressure transfer in a cut-off device of small oscillation of instant of pressure occupying heartbeat induce change in volume of each pulse. The blood pressure is influenced by cardiac output, systematic vascular resistance, blood volume, and arterial stiffness. and varies depending on person's situation, emotional state, activity, and relative health or disease state. In a short term, blood pressure is regulated by baroreceptor, which act via the brain of influence the nervous and endocrine system. Blood pressure that is low is called as hypertension. Pressure that is constitutionally too high is called as hypertension, and normal pressure is called as normotension. Thank you.